Welcome to today's video. I'm going to show you Disk Drill Review. Can it really recover lost data? Disk Drill is widely marketed as a one-stop solution for recovering data from hard drives, SSDs, USB sticks, SD cards, and even iPhones or Android devices. With features like Quick Scan, Deep Scan, Recovery Vault, and Recovery Chances prediction that aim to help users locate and restore lost files. The official site highlights support for many file systems and devices and encourages users to preview recoverable files before upgrading to the paid version. Professional reviews note that Disk Drill has a clean, intuitive interface and can indeed find and restore recently deleted files, sometimes with good success in test scenarios, such as formatted drives and corrupted partitions, recovering a high percentage of files in controlled tests. That said, data recovery software can never guarantee success in every situation, and Disk Drill's effectiveness varies widely depending on how the data was lost and the condition of the storage media. User feedback from independent review platforms is mixed in 2025. Some users report efficient recovery of important files with the Pro version, praising the ease of use and good support. Other users, however, describe disappointing outcomes: long scans that fail to return usable data, recovered files that are corrupted or unreadable, and experiences where the software seemed to worsen the situation or even contribute to drive issues. Many of these comments also criticize the pricing and refund policies, noting you often have to pay upfront for Pro to actually recover anything beyond a tiny free limit, and that refunds aren't easily granted even when recovery fails. In summary, Disk Drill can work well for simple data loss like recently deleted files and offers a user-friendly experience, but it's not a miracle tool. Thank you for watching this video.